Hello again, and welcome to Circle7Land.com. My name is Scott, and I hope you're having a great week so far. Today we are looking at our featured property of the week. It is 72 acres in northern Arizona, and this property has power close, and we are offering this property for a discounted cash price of $22,895. This is a nice property. This is actually going to be closer to Sanders, Arizona, still in Apache County. But if you scroll down on the page on our website to the click for directions, we'll take a look and take you to where this property is, take you how to get there. As I zoom out here, go way out for a second here so you can see. We've got Albuquerque over here. Phoenix is down here. So again, we're in northern Arizona. We're about halfway between Albuquerque and Phoenix. And here is the property, really close, right off of I-40 here. And so as we zoom back in, I'm going to first take you to the property. So you see Sanders. And from Sanders at I-40 and 191, you're going to jump on 191 south. And as we zoom in, we'll get you to the property here. Give me a second. So as you're coming south on 191, you're going to come to Sand Springs Drive. So you'll turn west on Sand Springs Drive. Take it over to Apache County Road 7395. So this is going to be your road into the property. Apache County Road 7395, and as you head down that road, you can kind of see here on the screen, that's going to take you down, and the property is right here. Now as we zoom in, this property, you're going to actually have a neighbor here, and so you can see as Apache County Road 7395 comes in right here, this right here is the property, and so this kind of area. And so there is an easement drive that comes off of 7395, basically straight east from this west, from the road here to the west. So you're going to come straight across here to access your property. Nice thing about this property is there is power close by. So there is actually power right here. And as I go back to our pictures now here, this is on the site. You can look through our pictures. We've got pictures of the property. Obviously, like we just did, the map to give you directions on how to get there. But this road right here is Apache County Road 7395. So that's coming in just like we just looked at. As you're coming in here, there's actually an easement here that you would come across to the property. So here's your neighbor, and then your property's right up in here, 72 acres. So you look right here, this is your power pole. So this is about 1,200 feet from your property here. So not very far from power. This property is an excellent, got some great views, and you're again off grid with power close, but good access. You've got a neighbor there. I want to take you through the pictures here. If you go all the way through the pictures, kind of down to the end, closer to the end, we have everything from drone footage to pictures, on the ground there. But this is your property. So again, let me go back. You can see your neighbor here. You're coming across right here to your property, and this is how you would access it. So there's a fence, I believe, right along here. On the northern edge, but if we start to kind of zoom out, you see how the property lays, and this kind of drops just a little bit as it kind of slopes back towards the valley here. It's a beautiful view, but this is kind of, again, zooming out. Here's County Road 7395 coming down. Power is right here, 1,200 feet from your property. This is the 72 acres. Great spot. If you're wondering what's close, we can go back to our map view, and we'll zoom out here, go kind of back out. We saw it earlier, but here's Sanders. So Sanders is about 13 minutes. So you're an easy 15-minute drive from Sanders and groceries and all of the things you might need, post office. If we zoom out a little bit further, you're going to see St. John's down here, and you got Holbrook over here. You got several cities to access. Flagstaff is right here. Flagstaff's about 2 hours. So here's our property, about 2 hours to Flagstaff. The access is great. You've got power. Nice property here in northern Arizona. We are at $22,895 discounted cash value. Again, this is our featured property of the week, and this is a great spot. You can read here on our website some more information. The elevation here is roughly 6,100 feet, so you're going to have 4 mild seasons, and it's a great property here. There's some beautiful washes like we looked at in those pictures that span from southwest to the center of the property. So that'd be an ideal source of water during monsoon season, and again, partially fenced along this northern border here. This fence runs from west to east. We're looking to the east here, the property. This would be the northern side of the property right over here. So again, got a neighbor there, so you're not completely out, in the middle of nowhere. You've got some neighbors. You've got access. You're close to post office, groceries, shopping. This is a good, very, very nice property. Our site will also show down here on the page a ready to buy. Again, $495 will reserve this property today, and get you towards owning this great property. If you're asking, we have several people ask, do we do in-house payments? Some properties we do, some we don't. This property, we are offering monthly installment options. You can see those here. We've got different options for different situations you might be in. We offer down payments with monthly payoffs. We do not charge for early payoffs on those. We don't charge interest. So if you're looking to own a piece of property, we allow you, after you've made your 1 month payment, your first month's payment, we allow you to begin using the property as if it were yours, because you are well on your way at that point to owning the property outright. So we encourage that. But again, these are pictures on our site of the property. Beautiful property in northern Arizona, 72 acres, $22,895. Any questions at all, shoot us an email, give us a call today, and we would love to help you. Please go like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would greatly appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.